Day 4 of our North Queensland trip. Here's what we're going to be doing today. I put it all into Google Maps. So the first thing is we're going to go down for a walk at the local creek to see if we can spot some platypus. And we're going to Granite Gorge Nature Park. And then we're going to go to Coffee Works in Mareeba, because they have really good hot chocolates apparently. She knows that we don't drink coffee, but this is a really great place that she recommended. Then after that, we're going to drive all the way up to Kuranda, which is here, which is where the Barren Falls are, also the Butterfly Park and the Bird Park. And then we'll make our way up to Palm Cove. Tattoos off to the platypus viewing area. Cow in the distance with perfect light. Stop number 1, the sun is out. I'm really happy about that. And we are down at the creek looking for platypus.
This is the first platypus that I've seen. Their hind legs are poisonous and they're very rare to see.
So we've been tracking the platypus all the way down. Up. Probably a bit too far away to see from here. He's down there. But the platypus is a native Australian mammal. It lays eggs. It has the bill of a duck. It's got the tail of a beaver. And it's got the feet of an otter. It's a very strange looking but beautiful creature. Swimming away. Goodbye.
We're just about to leave the motel and Joyce has decided that this is a good way to pack the suitcase. I'm supposed to close this somehow.
I knew you were going to repack it anyway. So this is the view from Granite Gorge. We're here. So now we are leaving Coffee Works and we're leaving Mareeba. We're going up to Kuranda. are just at the Australian Butterfly Park now, and we're going to head to the bird park next. So these are the butterflies that I wanted to see. Didn't see any in the butterfly park, but saw it as soon as I came out of the butterfly park in the wild. Thanks, Nick. Welcome to Bird World, Kuranda. So we're at Bird World now at Kuranda, and there's all these amazing birds in this humongous aviary. Just like chilling with a macaw.
Let's try to
What's he doing?
nibble you.
Being nibbled by a macaw today. Seem to have a macaw stuck on me.
I like these buttons.
Oh no, it's actually
Someone's hitting the mountain quite nicely. But we're on our way to Palm Cove, the Pullman, and after finishing a day of activities at the Barren Falls and the Kuranda Butterfly Park and Bird World.
made it to the Pullman in Palm Cove.
And we're about to head for dinner as well, so the menu was really good.